All right, guys, so I want to show a brief one how to quickly reset your oil interval service light for Honda Civic, the 8th generation, that is from 2006 to 2011. As you can see, it's already reading negative here, so I've just changed my oil and the filter. So and you can see the service button there, the service the spanner sign. So just to show how to reset it in the next few seconds, first of all, the first thing you do is you turn your steering to the on position. Once it's at the on position, you press the select button to get to the point where you have the engine oil life indicator, which is already on my screen. So if yours is not here, you have to press the select this button until this appears. So once that is done, you now press and hold onto this for 10 seconds. You will observe that the service numbers will start blinking. 10 seconds. All right, you see there is blinking. So you now press it again for another 5 seconds. That is it. It resets right there. Thank you. It's now back to 000 to start counting.